Like most hobbies and small businesses, equipment costs money, and everybody wants more equipment, and where do you get the dollars from? Well, you can save money up front by buying items that are on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, estate sales, auctions, or personal invitations. That's what this is. A personal invite from an older woodworker that's going to be retiring. I'm sharing some of his works here that he shared with me in the time we spent together discussing different projects and tools, and it was a great experience. I really enjoyed my time I spent with him. I think I got some really good deals. Check them out. When I asked him about this jig, he said he'd never quite got it completed. And he told me that I could have it, just to take it with me. So I did. Well, here it is all cleaned up. This router table came with the Jessam router lift, a Porter cable router. This router bundle has more coming. And 4 additional routers, the attachments, polishing wheels, which who knows why they're in there, but fittings, a bunch of 1/4-inch router bits, bunch of really nice router bits, just some various guide bushings, wrenches, I don't know, some various stuff. I also picked up this mortising machine, this Porter cable heavy duty sander. Man, this thing must weigh 15 pounds or more. There's a Jessam guide, a Bosch deluxe router guide in the box. And I also picked up this jet lathe. It's a 1236. I have never used a lathe before, but I'm going to be making some new projects with this lathe. Might be comical, but I'm going to do it. I got some more attachments in another box. I also got all the chisels that went with it. Not a bad haul. I should have brought a bigger truck. I'm going back for more.